So the issue with most productivity apps is that, first of all, they have no AI features, and second of all, they have no idea what you're currently focused on, right? So we have solved this with this new feature, Today's Focus. This is a brand new release inside of Vectal that allows you to set a clear focus today with an AI-powered suggestion. So the Vectal agent looks at your top tasks, looks at your current goals, your work description, and any other context you have inside of Vectal, and generates this custom personalized suggestion. Of course, you can set something else. So let's say, today I want to focus deep work building my startup, right? And to make that decision, it's even easier because you can see your current goals and you can see your top tasks. And by the way, you can also adjust those if you want to. Each day, if you set your today's focus, Vectal will know, okay, the user wants to focus on this. And then all of the interactions you have with all of the AI agents inside of Vectal will be tailored around that direction. So as you can see, this is my main priority today, deep work on my startup. How should I get started? Define your biggest goal, eliminate distractions, focus work, and it just helps you focus on that. And then any other interaction I have throughout the day, doesn't matter if it's the chat agent, doesn't matter if it's like some other feature like AI cleanup we have, it'll be aware of your today's focus, which no other productive feature have. These features, not only do they not have any AI agents or just any AI features, they don't really know what you want to focus on today. So they're completely like not intelligent. They don't have any like cognitive capabilities built in. And that's what we solved with today's focus. Because not only if you have a bunch of tasks, right? The problem might be that those tasks get stale over time and maybe your priorities change. If you're flying somewhere today to a different country, your today's focus is going to be very different than in a typical day where you have like 16 hours of uninterrupted work, right? So that's where the today's focus comes into place. Simple feature, you set it every day, you get an AI-generated suggestion, which by the way, Vectal Agent knows everything it needs to know, your productivity, focus, your current projects, your top tasks, and it gives you that suggestion. And just by giving the AI agent this small piece of context every day, it performs much, much better. But honestly, this is just one of many things in the latest Vectal update. Another thing, display settings. So above the task list, you can select the list and you can quickly change from list to calendar to Kanban to switch between the views, right? A lot of you guys are still using the list and you're not aware that we have the Kanban view, that we have the calendar view. You can see it in a week view, in a day view, and you can easily switch around between these. Then we added these counters. We added them everywhere. So in the tasks, you can see how many tasks you have either due today or overdue, and then the total amount of active tasks in your list. And obviously, if you select a project, you can see that per project, right? So here, this project is empty. You can see 0, 0. So it's customized per project. We also added it for ideas, so you can see your total amount of ideas in your inbox, and for notes as well. So here I have 0 notes, but if you add a test note, boom, create, you can see total amount of notes and reminders you have for today. Just a quick way to overview. Then time zone, we fixed the time zone handling. So some people from like USA or Japan had like these like more extreme time zones, not like Europe, had issues. So we made that a lot more stable. Some people on the Discord server reported that the project agent wasn't working properly in the chat, so that should be fixed as well. By the way, if you aren't in the Vectal Discord server, just make sure to join. It's literally right here, this icon in bottom right corner, completely free to join. You can suggest features, report bugs, stuff like that. Then we improved the background agent, which you can activate like so, by hovering over a task and clicking this button, so that it can output markdown. And the search, so when you press F or this search icon on the right, F is the keyboard shortcut, you can search up for tasks on the Kanban as well. The issue is that with the Kanban, we added some custom statuses which weren't properly indexed. So now the search should work even when you have tasks all across the different columns in the Kanban board. So yeah, Vectal update V59, lots of exciting stuff, lots of new changes. And if you haven't tried Vectal, just go to vectal.ai, give it a shot. Stop using boring, outdated productivity tools like Notion, Todoist, ClickUp. Just move your tasks over to Vectal, and just by doing so, you can instantly boost your productivity by 40 to 60% very, very easily. So again, go to vectal.ai. You can try it completely for free. And yeah, this is the update V59.